Okay, so you see me doing body work on the other side. I pinged out all the dents. This side, the dents were done, rocker and quarter panels done. Didn't really show you that because we're going to show you on the driver's side. No sense showing you twice. So this is good on this side, other than the quarter panel's going to need some putty, and then we can jump to the other side. So this side didn't get a quarter panel patch or a replacement. It just got a couple patches, and then the dog leg was rotten, so we fixed the dog leg. The other side is a different story. You can see that the quarter panel is pretty rotten through here, and the dog leg is pretty bad as well. So what's going to happen is we did cut a quarter panel off another car that was good, off an old SRT I parted out, and we're going to get that cut up now, and we're going to fit it there, and then get it welded in. Here's the old quarter panel we cut out. You can see it came down to the dog leg a little bit, and there's no rust. So the only bad thing is you got to weld solid across the body line, or up by the body line, which is going to be a lot of work. In chances like this, you want to do it like we did with the PT Cruiser, and you just cut the whole quarter panel out and then you drill out all the spot welds. It's technically more work, but it's less body work in the long run.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go.
I left Dexter, he's screwed up, I couldn't see that good. I'm gonna take this off.
Just cut it straight right here, right on that body line. So now what we're going to do is start marking down a 1/2 inch of where we cut. That way we can bevel that edge. The only downfall is you can see that the line's going down just because Dad couldn't see what was going on. So when it gets to about here, we're just going to have to butt weld that because it's pretty well going to be tough anyways. What we'll probably end up doing is you'll see that right here is the 1/2 inch mark to do the bevel, but here isn't. So when we get to here, we can literally just grind it up so it's just flat, flush to itself, and we'll just butt weld it. So he's going to have to cut that line off, which will give us a 1/2 inch here. I don't even know if you'll even get, oh yeah, you can get behind that. Get in behind that to do the tool, which I'll show you guys.
Like that.
Well, there you go. We're trying to stay below the body line just to keep the fill to the body line. Hopefully that's what's going to happen. You can see that it did get cut on an angle. Shouldn't be too bad. Now we just have to do some grinding and then do a lot of welding. So it's going to be just a butt weld through there. And then we did use the tool that gives us a bevel edge. So when you push down, you can see how tight it's actually going to be.
Told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way.
Too late. Okay guys, before he finishes it up, we're gonna leave it at that for this video. It's an awful lot. You see that we're gonna weld this up in there, and then what we gotta do is that bottom part of the dog leg. I'm gonna do that off camera because it's the same thing, just cut weld, cut weld. We're gonna get this filled up. So once it's welded, We're going to sandblast our welds to make sure that there's all the inside of it's clean, so there's no way to rust. And then we're going to start doing our body work. Some people would epoxy prime it first. For us, well, we can show you that in a different video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and we'll definitely catch you on the next one.